But unfortunately, it can only travel into the future at a rate of 1 second per second, which seems slow to the physicists and to the grant committees and even to me. But I manage to get there time after time, to the next moment and to the next. Thing is, I can't turn it off. I keep zipping ahead. Well, not zipping, and if I try to get out of this time machine, open the latch, I'll fall into space unconscious, then desiccated, and I'm pretty sure I'm afraid of that, so I stay inside. There's a window, though it shows the past. It's like a television or fish tank. But it's never live. It's always over. The fish swim in backward circles. Sometimes it's like a rearview mirror, another chance to see what I'm leaving behind, and sometimes like blackout, all that time wasted sleeping. Myself age 8, whole head burnt with embarrassment at having lost a library book, myself lurking in a candle corner expecting to be found charming, me holding a rose, though I want to put it down so I can smoke. Me exploding at my mother who explodes at me, because the explosion of some dark star all the way back struck hard. At mother's mother, I turn away from the window, anticipating a blow. I thought I'd find myself an old woman by now, traveling so light in time, but I haven't gotten far at all. Strange not to be able to pick up the pace as I'd like. The past is so horribly fast.